Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For y'all, I have another Valentine's DIY, so let's get started. So I'm going ahead and starting off with this heart-shaped sign from Dollar Tree. The other signs, I know they have so many heart signs right now, so either it doesn't really matter what sign you get, but this one was clear, so it was easier. And so for this sign, I'm just going to go ahead and paint it with a neutral caramel brown and white, mixing those together to get a neutral tone. That's what I'm trying to achieve for this heart sign. And I also will be just doing 2 coats and then going in with my heat gun and drying it. And I will be doing this sign double-sided, so be careful not to get paint on the other side of the heart. Once you paint this side, try to be neat about it. I was trying to be very careful trying to paint the corners of the heart, for the reason being that I was going to do it double-sided. Well, I am going to do double-sided, so I was making sure that it wasn't bleeding through the other side. So this is a heart finished, and then moving on to the stencil part, I will be doing the Louis Vuitton sign on the brown side. And guys, I don't know how to link the stencils in the description below, so if anyone can help me out with that, I would love to share my projects with y'all to make it easier for y'all to do these DIYs. So let me know how to link down the stencils, that way it will be easier for you recreating these DIYs. I would much appreciate it. But anyhow, now for the sign, I am going in and adding a black bow, and this ribbon I already had in hand from a blanket that I had bought, but I just didn't throw the ribbon away. So keep the ribbons, guys, don't throw those away, they do come in handy. I can't tell you how many scraps of ribbon I have on hand from just stuff that I buy that I keep, and it's useful. As you can see here, I'm using this ribbon. But yeah, so anyways guys, back to the DIY. I will just be trimming the ends of the ribbon and then burning the ends so they don't unwind. And by the way, I know the pearls, if y'all are wondering how they got there, I did add those. They were a last minute thing, and I will show you how I added them to the sign later on the video. But for this side of the sign, that is pretty much it. That's how I left it. And now I will be moving on to the other side of the sign. And for that, I will be going in with this light pink that I got from Target in the color Hydrangea Pink. And I will also be doing 2 coats on this side and just adding the stencil over it. And for this side, I am doing the Chanel logo. And I was trying to be very careful on the edges of this sign on this side because the other side was already painted, and I did manage to stain it, but I just went back and repainted it. So be careful and keep that in mind. Don't rush the edges, just take your time, that way it doesn't bleed through the other side. But once I was done with painting this heart, like I said, I just added the stencil Chanel logo, and I'm pretty much doing the same exact thing I did on the other side. And for this side, I'm just going with a white ribbon, and that is pretty much it, guys. There's really nothing to it. And for you guys that don't have a Cricut at home, I know Dollar Tree also carries letter stickers that will also work. Alright, so once I was done adding the bow, and like I had mentioned to y'all, this is where you can see that I add the pearls. And these pearls are from Dollar Tree. They do have the big sizes, the medium sizes, and the small ones. But these are just the ones I had at home, so I just went with these. But I was originally wanting to do the big ones, but at the end it turned out pretty and I was satisfied, so that's all that matters. And guys, this turned out looking beautiful. This will look so pretty in a craft room, or if your craft room is pink style or pink theme, or this would also be a very cute Valentine's gift to give to a friend. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and if you do end up recreating it, don't forget to tag me on my social media, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That way y'all can stay up to date with my videos. But anyways guys, until next time.